Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to add radial gradient in background image of a section in Elementor, right? As you can see right now I am editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and here we are going to create a section first, and for creating a section we need to click on the plus icon in the middle of the screen. So we have clicked on that, and here it is asking us about the layout, so we are going to select the flex box. You can also select the grid as per your requirement, and in the structure we are going to select one direction column. Okay, so we have successfully created a section over here. Now we are going to increase the height of this section, and for increasing the height of this section, in the left side toolbar in the layout setting, you can simply increase the minimum height of this section particular. Okay, so we have successfully increased the height of this section or container. Right now what we want is we want to add an image to that. So we are going to style settings in the left side toolbar, and in the background we have simply selected normal, and in the background type we are going to select classic. And here in the classic it is asking us to choose an image from library or upload a file. You can either upload file from your system. I have already uploaded an image file in the media library, so I'm simply going to select that particular image and then click on select. Okay, so our image has been added, but the image position is not as per the expectation, so we need to change the display size settings to the cover and then make changes to the position setting. So we have simply selected position as custom, and now I am decreasing the Y position. Okay, we have successfully done this. Now we are going to add radial gradient to this background image, right? And for adding radial gradient to this background image, you just need to scroll down in the style settings itself, right? And you will find the background overlay option, and you need to go to the background overlay, right? And here we have simply selected normal, and in the background type there are two options, classic and gradient, so we need to select the gradient. Okay, and in the gradient it is asking us about the color 1 and color 2, right? So color 2 is already selected, and color 1 we can simply select. So I am choosing the green color from the color palette. Okay, so we have added green and pink color, right, as a gradient, and now we want this to be radial, so we are going to change the type from linear to radial. And here you can simply increase or decrease the location, right, and can see the changes, right? So this is how you can simply add a radial gradient to background image of a section in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.